Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, this series continues and I am going to talk about how to apply foundation, and that too perfectly in maybe 3 different ways. So there is a technique that you should follow while applying foundation, which is not that difficult. So I am going to talk about those techniques, as well as I am going to talk about 3 different ways to apply foundation. So that will be in 3 different coverages which you will get. This series is all about techniques and tricks and tips to apply makeup. Each and every product that you apply on your face has a particular technique to it, and you need to follow that technique. A right technique can give you a very good lifted look, and a very minimum makeup can give you a very good look, or a very bright and long lasting makeup can be good for parties. So there are multiple options for makeup. The techniques I'm going to show you are not at all difficult. It's very easy. These techniques can be applied by beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to wash your hands. Hands should be clean. Your sponges, your beauty blenders should be clean. Your brush should be clean. Everything you apply on your face will directly imply, if they are dirty, then there can be a bacterial growth on your face, and that can lead to acne or certain kind of skin conditions. So you don't need that. So that's why everything should be clean. No matter how tired you are, no matter how busy you are, you need to clean your stuff and then apply it. Your face should be washed properly with a good face wash. Then apply your moisturizer. You give it a minute. Let the moisturizer sink in. And why it should sink in? Because moisturizer is the first layer on your face. Apply any moisturizer you like. So apply a moisturizer according to your skin type. So this layer will protect you from all the harmful hazards from the makeup you get. Then you can add sunscreen if you are going out in a daytime. Layers of makeup also helps you protect from sun. Then you need to apply your primer. So I am done with my moisturizer and my primer. So now comes the foundation. There are liquid foundations, creamy foundations. So what I have right now is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is a good foundation. It has a good coverage, yet it is lightweight on the skin. So this is a liquidy foundation. I'll show you the texture. See, as you can see, it has a good coverage. Next I have this creamy foundation. This is by Kryolan. This is a very thick foundation. This type of foundation is used when you have to wear a party or a heavy makeup. It stays like really long, and it has a very high coverage to it. So you can see the color. You can see how thick it is, how creamy it is. It's very creamy. It just blurs out each and every marks on your skin, each and everything on your skin. So this is a very good foundation for your party. If you do not need too much of coverage, then apply liquid foundation. But if you need good coverage and you want it to really last long, then go for a creamy foundation. Next I'm going to talk about the beauty blenders, sponges. So these are the sponges. This is a sponge. When you dip in water, it expands or it doubles its size up. So one is you can apply with the sponge. Second is this type of a blender which has a silicone texture to it, and you can apply with this one. One is in this variety. This is the second variety. This is little hard, that was softer. And third one, you can go with the brush. This is a foundation brush. You can see the bristles are really close and they are really smooth. So foundation can be applied with your finger. The question is which product to use. The finger has a very natural finish to it. So when you apply with your finger, like I'll show you. Taking this foundation by Maybelline. Taking a little amount with your finger. You cannot use too much of product with fingers, because finger is something which can, literally drag your product here and there. So you have to use a minimum amount of product in order to get it set on your face. So dotting on your face. So like coverage for this area. So you can see there is no wastage, unlike sponge and brush. So this has a very natural finish. This is something I was talking about, the 3 ways to get coverage. So this is the light coverage. So dotted all over face. So there is not too much of the product. And yet you have to blend it very well. If you apply less product, the blending will be easy with your finger. This is something which is light coverage. Apply a little bit on your neck. Applying on neck will give you a balanced look on your face and your neck, so they will not look apart. This is the easiest one. Just apply with your finger. There is no wastage of the product. The finish of your foundation on your face will be very natural and very subtle. So this is light coverage foundation, yet it has brightened up my face and given a very good look to it. So next I'm going to show it with the sponge. So I'm going to show you with the same foundation how you can build a coverage. Applying, again dot dot. When you want a medium coverage from your foundation, you need to have a hydrating primer. A hydrating primer will give a little moist look on your face. Your marks will be not visible enough, but your skin will look hydrated. The sponge has soaked all the water in it, and I have dried little bit with the tissue paper. So now when I will apply sponge on my face, it will not take all the product inside, but it will give a nice finish to my foundation. So dabbing. So you have to dab. Just pat your foundation inside your skin. So this will build your foundation, and dragging too much of foundation will create lines. So to avoid that, dab, which will give a very natural finish to your foundation. When you want medium coverage, use sponge. If you have a mature skin, if you have a little old skin, if your skin is sagging, then sponge is the best solution for you. It gives a young look to your skin. This is a medium coverage right now on my face. This is literally so lightweight, unlike cream foundations which are heavy on the skin, so you feel it on your skin. Now I'll use foundation brush for applying foundation. I'll apply foundation with brush will give me a full coverage. There is a very important tip for the foundation. If you have dry skin, apply with the sponge. If you have oily skin, use foundation brush. This will help you. This will not drag your foundation here and there. This will not stick your foundation. It will give you a heavy coverage. It will give you a very nice coverage to it. There is a reason you should not pick your product with the brush or your sponge, because they will absorb your product directly on their surface and you will not get a good coverage. If you really want a very light and negligible amount of coverage, then first take your sponge, dab it on your foundation and then apply. You'll get a very light foundation coverage. Dot it around again. So dotting your foundation spreads your foundation equally. So it's a good technique to apply foundation. Dot it on your face, it will give a nice good effect and it will spread your foundation more. It's blending time. So in circular motions, so these circular motions have to be very small. Can you see the coverage? And this is from the same foundation I have been using. Just drag your foundation little bit to your hairline so that your face does not have a very sharp edges to it. This was all about foundation, how to apply it and which type of coverage you can get from a single foundation bottle which you have, or what is a cream foundation and a liquid foundation, which type of products you can apply your foundation with. So there are so many products available in the market. I have showed you a little bit of it and I hope this video was helpful and you can really apply your foundation now with a technique. But choosing a foundation is altogether a different topic. That is all about the undertones you have. What do you feel about your skin? Is your skin too grayish and too cool, or if your skin tone is too yellowish and too warm, or if your skin is combination of both? Which kind of jewelry suits you best, silver jewelry or golden jewelry? If you have warmer undertones, then golden jewelry will suit you better. If you have cooler undertones, then silver jewelry will suit you better. But if you have neutral undertones, then both kind of jewelry will suit you. So if you apply warmer tone foundation on a cooler skin tone, on a cooler undertone, then your foundation will look really bad and you can look dark. Apply a cooler color foundation on a warmer tone, then you can look pale and just dull and dried out. Something has just taken out from your body. Look on your face will be so exhausted. Then you have applied a wrong foundation. So testing that thing is something literally a very big topic. Second most important thing is what kind of veins you have on your hand. So is it green? Then you are warmer undertone. If it's blue or purple, then you are a cooler undertone. But if it's a mixture of both, warm and cool, then you are a neutral girl. So that's it guys. I hope you guys liked it. This is how you apply your foundation. These are all the techniques. These are the foundation techniques I have discovered, I have learned and researched. in my makeup journey. If you have any another tip or trick which you do it and it's useful as applying the foundation, then please do come. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon. Till then, love you guys. Bye.